Hey y'all, I want to sing one more song for today. I'm going to sing a song called Bring on the Rain by Joe Dee Messina. Just a second. Every fucking time. Another day is almost come and gone. I can't imagine what else can possibly go wrong. Sometimes I'd like to hide away somewhere and lock the door. A single battle lost, not the war. 'Cause tomorrow's another day, and I'm thirsty anyway. So bring on the rain. It's almost like the hard times are going round. A couple drops and they all start coming down. Yeah, I might feel defeated, I might hang my head, I might be barely breathing, but I'm not dead. 'Cause I'm not gonna let it get me down. I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna lose any sleep tonight. 'Cause tomorrow's another day, and I'm not afraid. So bring on the rain. Bring on the rain, bring on the rain, bring on the rain, bring on the rain. 'Cause tomorrow's another day, and I'm thirsty anyway. So bring on the rain. It's almost like the hard times are going round. A couple drops and they all start coming down. Yeah, I might feel defeated, I might hang my head, I might be barely breathing, but I'm not dead. No, 'cause I'm not gonna let it get me down. I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna lose any sleep tonight. Ah, so that was me singing that song. I hope it's alright. That's yeah, no, whatever. God, I need to learn to not talk so much and make my videos way too long than what they need to be. This one's not bad. It's only like 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Well, it's not 4 minutes and 30 seconds yet, but it probably will be about 4 minutes and 30 seconds whenever I'm done talking. Yep, I was right. Anyway, so, hope you enjoyed the song. It's the last one for today, and I hope you like it. Bye.